in a few weeks I will get time to realize it's right before my eyes, and I can take it if it's what I want to do. And I am leaving, and this is starting to feel like it's right before my eyes, and I can taste it. It's my sweet beginning. And I can tell just what you want. You don't want to be alone. You don't want to be alone. I can say it's what you know, but you don't live the whole time. Yeah, you don't live the whole time. Maybe next year I'll have no time to think about the questions to address. Am I the one to try to start the fire? I wouldn't test you, I'm not the best you could have